Happy President's Day! If your actions inspire others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more, you are a leader. John Adams. If your home has a hard time keeping every room at the perfect comfort level, you are likely wasting a lot of energy. Your current cooling systems are likely draining your finances on expensive energy bills. A whole house fan from the Whole House Fan Company is the most effective way to cool your home for a fraction of the energy cost of running your air conditioner. You can keep your entire home at a comfortable temperature by installing an advanced whole house fan in your home. This revolutionary, whisper-quiet operation, whole house fan, quietly replaces the air in your home at a rate of 15 to 20 times per hour. This results in healthier air quality and a drop in air conditioner usage by 50 to 90%. Advanced Whole House Fan has taken America by storm, and with over 98% customer satisfaction.
Hey, how are you doing that?
Doing what?
You're putting pennies in, man. Mine's only take bills.
With my Quiet Cool Whole House Fan, I can keep my home comfortable for a fraction of the cost of constantly running the AC.
A fraction, huh?
Yeah, and it's quieter too.
What?
It's quieter too!
So, what are you waiting for? Learn how you can install a whole house fan today and start enjoying a healthier, cooler, and quieter home with $300 off on installation through President's Day special. Visit whfan.com to get your free estimate.